Hi, welcome back. Now, we were talking about skeleton paragraphs. You downloaded the PDF and you made a couple. Now, I want you to download the PDF at the bottom of this page because I'm going to show you how to take a skeleton paragraph and set it to sentence structure. Now it's going to become a paragraph, a bona fide paragraph using sentences. So, download this PDF here. And it says the dog is well trained. So what I've done is I put the trigger words on here, and now all I'm going to do is set this to sentence structure. That means that I'm going to use simple sentences, compound sentences, maybe even a complex or a compound complex sentence. I get to choose as my thoughts flow as I put these ideas together. Okay? So we're going to use this PDF, the dog is well trained. So that will be my topic sentence. So I'm going to go off of this. So I'm going to write my topic sentence, and this symbol means paragraph. Remember, when you write a paragraph, the first sentence must be indented. That means it starts here, the others start here. Okay? So I'm going to write, the dog is well trained. Like the other lesson we had, we talked about the dog being mean. But this PDF is using a different idea. We're talking about that he's well trained. And the first one says he sits on command. The second one walks on a leash, obeys the owner, fetches the ball, responds to a whistle, sleeps on its mat, barks on command, it's housebroken, doesn't chew furniture, and doesn't jump on people. All these ideas support the fact that the dog is well trained. Okay? So, we wrote this down. You did this before. This is called a skeleton paragraph. Now, I'm just going to combine these ideas using sentences. So I'm going to start with my indented. That means I move this one in. The dog is well trained, period. Now I'm going to start over here. When I say sit, the dog sits. No questions asked. Now he walks on a leash and obeys the owner. I'm going to say, I take the dog for a walk on the leash and there's a pronoun, it obeys me. So can you see how I'm stringing these ideas together now using my parts of speech and my sentence structure? So now I'm going to take these next two. He fetches the ball and he responds to a whistle. So I'm going to say, notice how I'm lining up all my sentences. This is indented. This is how teachers identify a new idea, by the indented sentence. When I take my dog to the park, I throw the ball and whistle, and the dog comes running to me. So as you can see, this is how you write the paragraph using the skeleton paragraph method. I'm not even thinking of what to say. I'm just looking and I'm saying, let me imagine. So the next one says, sleep on its mat and barks on command. So I'm already closing my eyes. I'm seeing the dog on his mat. And I write down exactly what I see. I don't even think. The dog sleeps on its possessive pronoun, green mat, and barks if anyone comes to the door. Okay? Now I want you to finish the next 4. I want you on your own to complete this paragraph using these 4 triggers. Okay? And this is how you write a paragraph using your skeleton paragraph. So this skeleton paragraph became this paragraph. You're well on your way to writing paragraphs. This is it. This system has helped thousands of students across this nation, in high school, universities, even in the professions. Okay? This is an excellent method, unbelievable method, and you're well on your way to writing the essay. So go ahead and download the PDF. Also download the PDF on the skeleton paragraph and then the paragraph. And then you're going to convert your skeleton paragraph to a regular paragraph. You're going to need those, and we'll talk about that in the next lesson.